When we say God, we must first understand that the word itself does a lot. For some, it is the name of a being who created and rules the world. For others, it refers to a fundamental reality that stands behind all things.
To put it simply, many see God as the source of being, that which is the primary cause of the universe. When we look at the universe, the question "why is there anything?" arises. The answers people have given have been that there is a fundamental cause or reality behind this existence that itself does not need a cause. In this picture, God is not just a distant and unrelated creator, but also a foundation that both creates laws and order and may hold the universe together. But the human experience of God is not limited to rational reasons. Many people at some point in their lives, when faced with beautiful scenes, or in times of pain and failure, or in romantic and peaceful experiences, feel something beyond their presence, a warmth, a light, or a silence that breaks all boundaries. These experiences are absolute proof in the language of reason, but for experience they are a decisive truth. When people want to talk about the attributes of God, some have looked at him from two opposing perspectives. One picture shows God as a person who has will, consciousness, and moral agency, that is, as someone who prays, has relationships with people, acts, and behaves. In the 20th century, the Big Bang Theory was introduced as the scientific model for the beginning of the universe. According to this theory, the universe began about 13.8 billion years ago in a very dense and hot state. The important question is, what does this beginning have to do with God? From a theistic perspective, the Big Bang is not a rival to God, but rather a sign of the universe's need for a cause outside itself. If the universe had a beginning, there must be a cause beyond time and space that started it, and that cause is God. From a naturalistic perspective, the Big Bang does not require God. Some physicists say the universe could have been created by quantum laws or the multiverse. In the agnostic view, the Big Bang merely explains how the universe began, but is silent on why it did, a question that could still point to God. Some physicists say that there may be no need for God. For example, quantum theories suggest that the universe could have arisen from quantum fluctuations in a vacuum or from physical nothingness. Of course, nothing here is not in the philosophical sense of absolute, it is a kind of ground state of energy. This group suggests that the universe may be part of an endless cycle or multiverse. The Big Bang does not prove or disprove the existence of God. It is simply our best scientific explanation for the beginning of the universe. But why is there anything at all instead of nothing, remains a philosophical and theological question. Some say this is where God comes in, as the ultimate answer to why are you here? On the other hand, some scientists say that there may be no need to assume God because the laws of nature themselves are sufficient. This is precisely the point where science and faith diverge. Science seeks to explain the how, and faith seeks to answer the why. Ultimately, the concept of God remains one of the deepest and most enduring human mysteries, a mystery that pushes human thought, faith, and experience toward infinity.